Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is very important, especially if you are someone who is looking for a job in tech career. I have got mass hiring and a proper product level tech role, and trust me, one of these has 200 plus openings, so your chances are actually very high. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start with the first opportunity, and this one is from Orcapod Consulting Services. They are hiring for the multiple roles, basically across multiple tech stack, and this is a mass hiring drive with 200 plus openings. It includes Java, SAP, Python, BTP, React, and AWS. This role is completely remote, although the hiring office is based in Hyderabad, so you don't need to relocate. Now, here's the important part. For this role in eligibility, they clearly mentioned graduation is not required. So, even if you are someone without a formal degree or maybe from a non tech background but with skills, this is a golden opportunity. Now, coming to what you will actually do in this role, depending on your technology assigned to you, you will be working on development, configuration, support, and operation tasks. So, your day to day work will involve writing code, testing features, fixing issues, deploying applications, and maintaining systems. You will also collaborate with teams to understand requirements and deliver modules, which means you will get exposure to real world project workflows. They are working on enterprise level systems, including Java based applications, SAP environments, Salesforce CRM, and even infrastructure operations. So, even if you start at basic level, you will gradually move into more complex system. From a skills perspective, they are open to wide range like Java, Python, SQL, React, Node.js, SAP, Salesforce, and Linux. So this is not a role where you need to know everything. You just need one strong area and basic fundamentals. Now talking about the salary, it ranges between 6 to 16 LPA depending on your skills and role, which is honestly very solid, especially considering this is a remote plus mass hiring opportunity. Now let's move on to the second opportunity, and this one is from Virtusa, and they are hiring for the role of Java full stack developer, and it is based in Pune. Now this role is more on the advanced side, so if you are targeting strong product level or enterprise level development roles, this is for you. In this role, you will be working on building scalable and maintainable applications using object oriented design principles, which means writing clean, structured, and production ready code. They expect strong experience in core Java, especially concepts like concurrency and multithreading, along with deep knowledge of Spring Framework, including Spring Core, Hibernate, JDBC, and more. On the front-end side, they want you to be comfortable with Angular, along with concepts like RxJS and micro front-end architecture. So this is not just a basic front-end, this is proper enterprise level front-end architecture. They also expect you to understand distributed systems, which includes working with tools like Redis for caching and building systems that can handle large scale data. Along with that, you should have exposure to cloud technologies, containers like Docker and Kubernetes, and databases like Oracle and MongoDB. They also mention familiarity with Linux scripting and DevOps tools like Git, Jenkins, SonarQube, and CI/CD pipelines. So overall, this is a full stack plus DevOps role. Now, if I simplify it for you, if you are a beginner or someone struggling to get opportunities, Orcapod is your best chance right now because of the volume hiring and flexibility. But if you already have some strong fundamentals and want to move towards high level backend plus full stack engineering roles, then Virtusa is a good option. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. For more such latest job updates, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.